Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 325 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Settle In, a brief pause to help you return to calm and presence. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Feel the support beneath your body. Notice how it holds you effortlessly. There's nothing to do right now except be here. Now, say to yourself, I settle into this moment. I am present and at ease, and I allow calm to grow within me. Let the breath carry you gently. Feel the quiet that comes from simply being without needing to act or fix anything. When you are ready, bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of calm with you through your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.